Very good morning. In the last class, we learnt how to write the numbers in the exponential form, exponential notation. So, the exponential forms are closely related to logarithms. So, in this class, we are going to discuss about the logarithms. Already we discussed in the last class logarithms. The logarithms are used for the sorts of calculation in engineering and economics and growth and decay, and to find the pH value in the chemistry, and to measure the magnitude of earthquakes also. So let us see in this class more about the logarithms. So how to write the logarithms, how to write the exponents as logarithms. How to write exponents, writing exponents as logarithms. Writing exponents as logarithms. Let us see this. Now, as we know that 10,000 can be written as 10 to the power of 4. 10,000 can be written as 10 to the power of 4. Here 10 is the base. 4 is the exponent. 4 is the exponent or index. So writing a number in the form of base raised to the power. Writing a number in the form of base raised to the power is called exponentation. What is called? Exponentation. What is exponentation? Writing a number in the form of a base raised to the power is called exponentation. So we can also write this in the another form. That is logarithm. That is what? Logarithm. So how did you write 10,000? 10,000 written as 10 to the power. This is exponential form. Writing a number in the form of a base raised to the power is called exponential form. And this is also can be written in another form is logarithmic form. So the logarithmic form is what? Log 10,000 base 10 equal to 4. Log 10,000 base 10 equal to 4. In the exponential form, base is what? 10. In the logarithmic form, base is what? 10. In the both the forms, the base will not be changed. The base of the exponential form becomes the base of the logarithmic form. There is no change in the base. This is exponential form. 10,000 equal to 10 to the power of 4. How can you write in the logarithmic form? Take log 10. Log 10,000. What is the base? Base 10. Log 10,000 base 10 equal to 4. So from this, what did you observe? From this, we observed that the base of the exponential form becomes the base of the logarithmic form. There is no change in the base. In the both the forms, base will be the same. In general, you must note down this. In general, we write if a to the power of n is equal to x, this is exponential form. We write it as log form. Log x, what is the base a? This is equal to n. This is exponential form. This is logarithmic form. The exponential form is like this: a power n is equal to n. A to the power of n is equal to x is exponential form. Write in the logarithmic form. Log x base a equal to n. In the both the forms, the base is same. In the exponential form, base is a. In the logarithmic form, also base is a. So like this, we can write. This is exponential form. A power n is equal to x. Logarithmic form is what? Log x base a equal to n. This is the general form. So now we write. I think you note on all this. Write example. Let us discuss the example. Write 64 is equal 8 square. 64 is equal to 8. Let us observe these two. 64 equal to 8 square and 64 is equal to, can also written as 4 cube. When you factorize 64, 64 can be written as 8 square. 8 into 8, 64. 64 can be written as 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. So let us write in the logarithmic form this is. Let us write in the, let us consider 64 is equal to 8 square. This is exponential form, you know that. This is exponential form. Write in the logarithmic form. What is the logarithmic form? Exponential form is a power n is equal to x. Logarithmic form, apply log. Log 64. What is the base? Base is 8 is equal to log 64 base 8 equal to what left? Exponential is left. Exponent index is left. Log 64 base 8 equal to. The logarithm of 64 base 8 is 2. Similarly, let us consider second one. 64 is equal to 4 cube also. Now apply, this is log form. This is what? Log form. 64 is equal to 4 cube. This is what? Exponential form. Write in the logarithmic form. Log 64 base 4 is equal to. So what is the log 64 here? 2. Here log 64 is 3. Why? Different? Same number. Here log 64, here also log 64. Why? Why you are getting? For same number having the different values, because their bases are different. The logarithm of same number to the different bases will be different. Log 64 base 8 equal to. Log 64 base 4 is equal to 3. This is log 64, log 64. But here value is, its value is 2, here its value is 3. Why it is happened? Because of the different bases. So we observe this, the logarithm of the same number to the different bases is different. The logarithm of the same number is, the logarithm of same number, the logarithm of same number to the different bases, to different bases are different. This will observe. You can observe this. From these two examples, we observe that the logarithm of the same number to different bases are different. You note down this point. Next, I go for the next concept. In cases, consider third bit, log 2 write the following in exponential form. In earlier, what did you do here? They given the exponential form, we written in the logarithmic form. So from first line to just we observe this, the logarithm of the same number to the different bases are different. Now write the following in the exponential form. It is given in the what form? Log form. Log 100 base 10 is equal to 4th bit. Log 25 base 5 is equal to log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. So let us write this. Third bit what? Log 100 base 10 is equal to, this is logarithmic form. Write in the exponential form. Write in the exponential form. How can you write? You know that a to the power of x is a to the power of general form what? General form is a to the power of n is equal to x. This is what? Log x base n. Log x. Log x base a is equal to n. Log x base a equal to n. Where a is not equal to 1. This is exponential form. Write in the logarithmic. This is logarithmic form. Write in the exponential form. What is the base here? 10. Base will not be changed. Base 10. What is this? the value of log 100 base 10 is 2. The value becomes the exponent. 10 square equal to what? 100. 10 square equal to 100. This is since a to the power of n is equal to x. This is log x base a equal to n. The log form given log x base a equal to n. This is exponential form. A to the power of n is equal to x. A to the power of n is equal to x implies log x base a equal to n. This is fourth way. We'll see log 25 base 5 is equal to, this is logarithmic form. Change in exponential form. The base is 5. The value of log 25 base 5 is 2. The value becomes what? Exponent. 5 square equal to what? 5 into 5, 25. This is. So, log 25 base 5 is equal to, its exponential form is 5 square equal to 25. 5 square equal to 25. So, next one, log 2 base 2 equal to 1. Log 2 base 2 equal to 1, change into exponential form. Log 2 base 2 equal to 1. Fifth bit. Write in exponential form. Base is what? 2. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Log 2 base 2 equal to 1. Similarly, one more I will give you. Sixth, log 10 base 10 equal to 1. Log 10 base 10 equal to 1, write in exponential form. 10 to the power of 1 is equal 10 to the power of 1 is equal. So, here log 2 base 2 is 1. Log 10 base 10 also 1. So, what did you observe from these two? From these 4th and 5th and 6th. From 6th and 5th and 6th. From 5th and 6th. We observe that the logarithm of the same number to the same base, log 2. Number is 2, base also 2. Number is 10, base also 10. So in the cases, what you got? 1 you got, unity. So the logarithm of the same number, the logarithm of same number, the logarithm of same number to the same base, the logarithm of the number to the same base, the logarithm of the number to the same base, to the same base is 1. Always. Log A base A 1, log B base B 1, log C base C 1, log 2 base 2 1, log 3 base 3 1, log 4 base 4 1, log 5 base 5 1, log 6 base 6 1. So, but A should not be equal to 1. A should not be equal to 1. So, from this, we observe that the logarithm of the number to the same base is always 1. You note down this point. So, therefore, we conclude that log A base A is equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. So, A equal to 1, what happens? The A equal to 1, it becomes 0. The log 1 is always 0. The logarithm of unity is 0. That is why A should not be equal to 1. It should be A is not equal to 1. A should be greater than 1 condition. You should not take 1 here. Log 1 base 1. Sir, just now I told, logarithm of the number to the same base is 1. Log 2 base 2 1. Log 3 base 3 1. Log 4 base 4 1. Log 5 base 5 1. But in case of 1, it is not applicable. Log 1 base 1 is not equal to 1 because log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. So A should be always, A should be greater than 1. A value take greater than 1 only. You take 2, 3, 2 onwards, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, greater than 1 values only take. A is not equal to 1, A should be greater than 1, this condition applies. So, the logarithm of unity is what? The logarithm of unity, log 1 to any base, 0. The logarithm of 1 is always 0. Why? I prove this. Prove that log 1 base A equal to 0. Prove. How can you prove this? As we know that A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Anything to power 0 is equal to 1. We know that very well. A to the power of 0 equal to 1. Anything to power 0 is equal to 1. So this is exponential form. Write in the logarithmic form. Log 1 base is what? Log 1 base A equal to 0. That is why the logarithm of unity is always 0. The logarithm of unity is 0. They ask you to prove that log 1 base A equal to 0 means you take that. As you know that A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Anything to power 0 is equal to 1. Taking log and goes, take the logarithmic form, right? This is exponential form. Write in the logarithmic form. Log 1 base A equal to 0. Therefore, the logarithm of unity is always 0. So, this is the, in this class, we learned that how to change, I revise once again, how to change exponential into logarithmic form. Exponential form is A to the power of n is equal to x. This is exponential form. How can you write in the log form? Log x base A equal to, this is exponential form, this is logarithmic form. In the both the forms, the base will not be changed. Base will be the same. This is. Now, and one more, the logarithm of same numbers, the logarithm of the number, the same base is always 1. Log A base A equal to 1. Log A base A is not, A should be greater than 1. A should be greater than 1. Condition applies here. And third one, the log A base A1. A should be greater than 1. Log 2 base 2 1. Log 3 base 3 1. Log 4 base 4 1. Log 5 base 5 1. Log 6 base 6 1. Log 7 base 7 1. Log 8 base 8 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1. A should be greater than 1. So, the logarithm of unity, the log 1 is, the log 1 base A equal to 0. Log 1 base A equal to 0. These three we discussed today. I hope you understand. Now I will give some assignment problems you do at home. Now you note down. These points are also note down. Assignment I will give here. Write the following in logarithmic form. Write the following in logarithmic form. Level square equal to 121. Write, this is exponential form given, write in the logarithmic form. You know how to write this. This is exponential form, log. Right side value will be the log. Log 121 base 11 is equal to, like that you do these all problems. 0.1 square is equal to 0.01. Third bit, 10 cube is equal to 1000. Fourth bit, 1 by 10 to the power of 4, 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of minus 4 is equal to 1 by 10,000. Second, write the following. In exponential form. Exponential form. Log 125 base 5 is equal to 3. Log 64 base 4 is equal to 3. log x base a equal to b. Log 100 base 10 is equal to log 1000 base 10 equal to 3. So write these in the exponential form. Write first one in the logarithmic form, second one write in the exponential form. I hope you understand, children. We discuss in the next class more about this logarithmics and their properties also. So I hope you understand. So thank you, children.